Hello everyone, now let's learn how to make this sentence in Kurdish. My friend is cooking for us. My friend will be the first part, and for that one we say Heval. Then you can say Hevala for Hevala for female friend, and you can say Hevalê for a masculine friend. Hevalê. Then this part will be our second part. For us will be me means for us. Then verb will come to the end, is cooking. We will say xwarinê. Xwarinê is a feminine name. That's why we are adding a feminine object suffix xwarinê. Then you say çêdike. Hevala, a female friend, or Hevalê, a masculine friend. Me xwarinê çêdike. My friend is cooking for us.